Hi, my name is Thomas.
And my name is Caden.
Today we're going to talk about all the wonderful things you could do during the Christmas season.
There are 7 days until Christmas, which gives you lots of time to prepare decorations and fun activities.
Some fun activities to do during the Christmas season is make hot chocolate and put decorations on your Christmas tree.
Make sure that if it snows, you can go outside and play in the snow. Here are some examples. Make a snowman, have a snowball fight, and do anything you can in the snow.
In my opinion, Christmas is the best holiday, but people think otherwise.
Do you want to know what is one of the most wanted things on people's Christmas list? Well, it's a Lululemon belt bag.
That's crazy. I don't have that on my Christmas list, do you?
No, I don't.
Kaden, do you know what I'm excited for on Christmas is the NFL games?
I only like to watch football.
Then what do you like to do on Christmas?
The thing I like to do on Christmas is eat the wonderful food and spend time with my family.
That's cool. I like to spend time with my family too. My tradition is that I go to my aunt's house on Christmas Eve and go to my grandma's house on Christmas.
The great NFL games that are on Christmas are the Kansas City Chiefs versus the Pittsburgh Steelers. The other games are the Baltimore Ravens versus the Houston Texans. And those are the NFL games on Christmas.
Christmas is a great season with a lot of fun things to do.
Thomas, do you have anything to do with celebrating Christmas today?
Well, I actually do. I actually have a tradition in Breezy where that on the first Friday of December we have a big Christmas tree lighting.
That is so cool. What does everyone do there?
Well, we usually get hot chocolate and play tag until it's time for the tree to light.
What kinds of lights are on the tree?
Well, it depends on what people vote for, but last year was rainbow and the year before that there was white lights. I'm Thomas.
And I'm Caden.
Until next time.